During the traditional printing process, volatile organic compounds, commonly known as VOC, mainly include dimethyl carbonate, isopropyl alcohol, butyl acrylate, ethylene glycol are emitted. These pollutants have adverse effects on human health and the environment. To assist factories in improving their environmental performance, the governments of Hong Kong and Guangdong launched the Cleaner Production Partnership Program in April 2008. This program subsidies Hong Kong-owned factories located in Hong Kong and Guangdong Province to adopt cleaner production technologies and practices, thereby facilitating them in energy saving and emissions reduction. This printing factory in Dongguan engages in printing services for various types of paper and cartons. The use of inks, solvents and cleaning agents in processes such as silkscreen printing, varnishing and UV treatment of printing surfaces releases VOC.
為咗改善空氣質素、提升員工嘅工作環境，以及適應環保法規嘅要求，我哋必須得改善 VOC 有機廢氣處理嘅設施。我哋於是申請咗清潔生產伙伴計劃資助，改用廢石吸附、轉輪濃縮及催化燃燒組合工藝設施，以減少印刷工序產生嘅 VOC 排放，同埋創造更清潔嘅環境。
The factory currently adopts the Zeolite Rotor Concentrator and Catalytic Oxidation technologies to treat organic waste gases. The operating principle involves pre-treating a large volume of low-concentration waste gases through high-efficiency filtration. The gases are then pressurized by a fan and sent to the zeolite rotor for adsorption and concentration. After being filtered by adsorption, the waste gases meet emission standards and are emitted through the chimney. The zeolite rotor, which rotates continuously and slowly, is divided into two zones, the adsorption zone and the desorption zone. The adsorption zone is responsible for purification, while in the desorption zone it is subjected to a small volume of high-temperature hot air, typically at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius, for thermal desorption. The small volume desorbed high-concentration waste gases then enter the catalytic combustion chamber for oxidation. The hot air used for desorption originates by fresh air introduced by a fan or gas that has been purified after adsorption. This hot air first passes through a secondary heat exchanger, where it undergoes heat exchange with the high-temperature air from the catalytic combustion chamber. It is then heated to 180 to 200 degrees Celsius by an electric heater. Subsequently, the heated air enters the zeolite rotor for desorption. After being adsorbed by zeolite, the waste gases will enter the catalytic combustion chamber for oxidation. Following combustion, the gases will pass through a primary heat exchanger for heat recovery. The heat recovered will be used to preheat the waste gases entering the catalytic combustion chamber. Finally, after further heat recovery through a secondary heat exchanger, these gases will be discharged through the chimney.
我们项目投入服务后，工厂每年可以减少 VOC 排放量约 6.7 吨，去除率达 93%。清洁生产伙伴计划为我们提供的减排方案，有效减少了 VOC 排放。 提升了工厂的环保及成本效益。
If you would like to learn more about the Cleaner Production Partnership Program, you can inquire through the following channels.